Over the past 48 hours, Jasmy has rocketed by more than 150%. On October 31, it was trading at 13 Aussie cents a piece before hitting as high as 47 cents on November 2. It's a coin with a previous high price of over $6, and many high-profile analysts believe its bull run has a lot further to go. It's a bull run that began roughly a month ago. In the past 30 days, it's gained over 1,400%, and in the last week, it's gone into overdrive with a 215% surge. But why is it seeing a new lease of life? Well, the initial surge in early October was due in no small part to the announcement of crypto exchange Coinbase Pro stating that it would start taking inbound transfers of new tokens, one of which was Jasmy. An immediate price hike of 30% in 24 hours was then seen before tailing off. The next big upswing, and perhaps the most crucial part of all of this, is Jasmy's Japanese significance. On October 26, BitPoint Japan, a Japan exchange, launched Jasmy and opened the JMY-JPY trading pair. This means that Jasmy has become the first Japanese blockchain project approved to be listed on the Japanese digital currency exchange. It's Japan's first legally compliant digital currency, which is massive news. Since that point, Jasmy's rise has been rampant. The news that Jasmy successfully launched BitPoint Japan Exchange has aroused widespread discussion in Japan and also Southeast Asia. The Jasmy community has ushered in the long-awaited carnival movement, and it has also attracted many waiters. So that's been the past month, but why is it still going nuts, and is it likely to continue to do so? Well, as for the price prediction, this is where things get really exciting. With the current range around the 30 to 40 cent mark, already an enormous jump from just over a month ago, moderate estimates are suggesting the coin could breach the $2 mark before the end of 2021. As for conservative estimates, it's suggesting about a $1 mark, which still represents more than double the current growth. As for the optimistic growth, $4. And if you think that sounds ridiculous, perhaps you need to think again. That price prediction is based on a few key things. Firstly, the development team behind the coin is held in very high regard. The bulk of the team are ex-high-ranking Sony employees with a wealth of business and technology experience. The association with Sony also creates a sense of trust with Jasmy as a product. So, coupled with the coin's current status as the only legally compliant one in Japan, and with the regulations the country requires for such a status, there's room to move, and there's plenty in the way of strong foundations. But the really exciting part moving forward is the likely listing on major exchanges. Already available on the likes of Coinbase, KuCoin, Mexi and Gate.io, Jasmy is now set to be listed on Crypto.com, and in a massive boost will be available on the world's largest exchange, Binance. With around 13.5 million users, Binance has at least 200,000 more users than the second largest exchange, which is Coinbase. Its utility is also rooted in the ever-expanding Internet of Things space, with a focus on smart data storage. Also, the market cap continues to stretch and grow by the minute. More and more people are piling into the coin, and with a history more than the 10 days of Squid Game coin, there's not likely to be any rug pull coming. So with all that said, have you missed out on the bull run? No, you haven't. Whilst the first few rounds of early gains have come and gone, the fact that the Binance listing is yet to occur, and with the trend of a new exchange listing for the coin correlating to huge upswings, there is plenty of movement still left in this one. If you enjoyed the information contained in this video, then please make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel, drop us a comment about what other crypto-related info you'd like us to break down, and of course, don't forget to press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. For more information, just head across to the website, kalkinemedia.com. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.